How are you today? I hope you always fine and enjoy your time. Well, are you ready now? Okay, I'm going to explain about introduction expression. Okay, let's study English lesson now.
Kompetensi dasar, mengidentifikasi struktur teks, lisan dan tulisan yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait jati diri, pendek dan sederhana, sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Perhatikan unsur kebahasaan dan kosakata terkait hubungan keluarga. Tujuan pembelajaran: siswa dapat memahami makna introduction expression sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Okay, students, before we start our lessons, please prepare your notebook and pen. Sebelum kita mulai, tolong persiapkan buku catatan dan pulpen untuk mencatat poin penting. I'm going to explain about introduction expression. Please open your English book, page 15, chapter 2. The first, self-introduction. There is several ways to introduce yourself and people as follows. Di sini ada beberapa cara untuk memperkenalkan dirimu sendiri dengan orang lain. A. Introducing yourself. Here are expressions to introduce yourself as follows. Berikut adalah contoh ungkapan memperkenalkan dirimu sendiri. My name is Yoneta. I'm a new student here. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I'd like to introduce myself. That's all. Examples of expressions to introduce yourself. Itu adalah contoh-contoh untuk memperkenalkan diri sendiri. Next, B. Introducing others. Introducing others adalah memperkenalkan orang lain. Here are expressions to introduce others as follows. Berikut ungkapan untuk memperkenalkan orang lain. Okay, please attention. Jack, please meet Nicholas. Jack, have you meet Nicholas? I'd like you to meet Lisa. I'd like you to introduce you to Betty. Leila, this is Barbara. Barbara, this is Leila. That's all examples of introducing others. Itu adalah contoh-contoh memperkenalkan orang lain. Next, let's continue. Selanjutnya, C. Useful response when introducing yourself or other people. For example, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you, happy to meet you, how do you do? Next, we will continue family member. Family member adalah anggota keluarga. For example, family, grandparent, grandmother, grandfather, parent, father, mother, wife, husband, children, son, daughter, nephew, niece, father-in-law, cousin, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, siblings, grandson, granddaughter. Okay, let's see the dialogue below. Mari kita perhatikan dialog berikut ini.
Are you someone who wants to learn English? If yes, this is the right choice for you. Hi guys. I'm Miss Annie. Let's learn English. Our first material today is self-introduction. There are two kinds of introduction. Introducing oneself is introduce yourself to others. There are some expressions and responses to use.
Hi. I'm Kartika.
Hi. I'm Kirana. Nice to meet you.
You use introducing others to introduce someone to other people. There are some expressions and response to use.
Hi Kiran. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
May I introduce my friend, Kiran?
Sure, please do.
He's Randy.
Hi Randy. Nice to meet you.
We are done. You can practice it at your home. See you next video.
Well, conclusion of our lessons today. You have to know, mention expression to introduce yourself and people. And you have to know, mention expressions to introduce others. And respond when introducing yourself or other people. And I hope you can practice it with your sister or brother. Baiklah anak-anak, kesimpulan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah kamu dapat menyebutkan ungkapan untuk memperkenalkan dirimu sendiri, dan kamu juga dapat menyebutkan ungkapan-ungkapan untuk memperkenalkan orang lain. My smart students, here I remember all of you to do health protocol. Anak-anak, di sini Ibu mengingatkan kembali supaya tetap melaksanakan protokol kesehatan. Wash your hand with soap. Stay at home. Wear a mask if you want to leave the house. Stay away from the crowd. And I hope we stay healthy.
Okay students, I think enough today our English lessons. Always spirit and enjoy your time and always happy.